Okay, before anything else, I just want to update you on the puppy situation here. I think they're about 17 or 18 days old, and despite some accidents, they're pretty much healthy. Let me explain what happened. So this stray dog gave birth inside my apartment. Of course, I cannot keep the puppies there inside my apartment, so I keep them here outside. I thought they were safe enough. I secure this part here with some carton, but it wasn't enough. Hi, Kikai. Welcome back. One of the puppy, after few days he was born, he actually fell down from here. I found it just here. It's a big fall. I mean, for a puppy like this, and somehow he survived. Is this one puppy here? As you see, he's still nice and strong. He's still hit. He never lost the appetite. But I notice it's a little bit smaller than the others. I mean, can you see this one, how big it is? Like, take a look at, compared to this one. Look. Look. It's clearly smaller than the others. Yeah, now it's totally buried by the others. Man, they're so hungry every time. You cannot eat from here. Come in the front. Come here. Come this side. Come this side. Okay. Those puppies are always so hungry. I don't understand how can you deal with this. Just to secure the puppies a little bit better, I got this cage here. So I guess somewhere next month the puppies will be ready to find a new home. A couple of people already showed interest to some of them, but I hope I can find them a nice home for all of them. But I will update you more in this very vlog. Having all this said, we can now start the real vlog. So let's go. So I'm off to one of the most important resorts here in the island because they have something very cool going on. So Monkey Bar, of course it's a bar, but it's also a full restaurant. We have this set up here, a kitchen. It's just an open kitchen, so you can see everything what's happening there in the kitchen. So it's an open bar. We can order all the alcohol we want.
Yes.
Yes. So these guys, they will be taking care of me. But let's eat first.
With this restaurant is the Santa Maria Grill.
Papa.
Which is we're trying to replicate the kitchen, local kitchens here in Panglao, which is called Abuhan.
Yeah.
Where they use charcoals and wood. As you can see, there's no gas, and but we're trying to do modern cooking as well with Abuhan, thus the sous vide equipment beside. It's a very modern equipment. Of course, when you go inside Big Grand, you expect so much because it's very beautiful resort.
Yeah.
And then you see this.
Yeah,
we're
exactly.
cooking with wood. Primitive people. Up here. And then to highlight this, we decided to do an open kitchen.
Yeah.
And a middle setup so people get to see how their food are cooked.
Okay, I'm done. Your turn. You cook your tortilla. Okay, let's try the taco. Lami. Thank you. And you're also promoting a lot of local produce, right? In the kitchen, I could try a lot of things really from Bohol.
Yeah.
Not only in the food, but even the drinks. I can see the bar.
Exactly.
You have a lot of local beers, local produce.
We're trying to work hand in hand. This is personal, how do you say this? Personal relationship with the suppliers. Even our liquor, for example, Distilleria Barako, shout out, Island Brewers. So we're trying to introduce Filipino flavors, but with international cooking.
Yeah.
For example, shout out to my friend Bad Boy's Kitchen in Cotabato for our very delicious palapa, which is a very traditional Muslim sauce.
Yeah.
And we're trying to pair it with a Texas barbecue 14-hour smoke, briskets and shanks.
Yeah.
So it's kind of new at some point, but we're trying.
Yeah, it was my first time to try that. It's delicious. And I can see you have even the salt from Bohol.
We're in this kitchen, we're using 4 or 5 different salts.
Yeah.
And 2 of them are local salt.
Even the
Design.
the ceiling, the design and everything, right?
So for the designs, glass and plates, big influences from Bell.
Yeah, you're the one. It's the one. Hi, Belle. Good job. Yeah, great job as always. Keep it up. We are not open yet, right? You're opening
August 8th.
August 8th officially. Where are we located again?
We're located inside the Grand Resort, fronting the beach. We have a very beautiful view. We've got liquors and food that pairs liquors as well. See you guys.
Check them out. Good job, chef.
Good job.
Good job. Wow. Can I have the bone there for my dog? For my dog, ate carne. And the winner is... Drum roll. Kathleen! What's that?
Fidget spinner.
You can see that?
You can sit down. And then, here you go. And then, you play. Oh my god, that doesn't really help to digest, pero okay na. It's a good try, that's something new.
And that's it, the dinner at Big Ranch. Check them out. Life with Critch. How was the dinner?
Great.
Furitarshi day.
Also, man.
Also very full.
Fantastic.
Now in Bohol. Check them out. Ria Sweet Life. The new girlfriend of Now in Bohol.
Please subscribe to Paolo Rigotti Vlogs.
Yeah, please subscribe my vlog and subscribe to him also. Follow him in Facebook. Sige, Kikay. Approve, Kika. Approve, Kikay.